그랬다니? 말도 안 돼. Welcome back to another video at KSTYLEYO. My name is Inyoung. There are many verb endings in Korean language, and they deliver various expressions and emotions based on the context. Today, the verb ending that you're gonna learn is to express a surprise, flabbergasted emotion with disbelief or disapproval. First, let's talk about how you can use this one in grammar rules. If you're gonna use this ending with a verb, either the verb ends with a vowel or consonant, you're gonna use 다니. If you were to use this ending with a noun, if the noun ends with a vowel, you're gonna use 라니. If the noun ends with a consonant, you're gonna use 이라니. Let's get right into the examples. 밖에 너무 추워. It's so cold outside. 밖에 춥다니. It's cold outside. 밖에 outside. 춥 is the verb 춥다, to be cold. 다니 ending. Almost I'm flabbergasted. I don't believe it's cold outside today. 밖에 춥다니. 이렇게 맛있다니. Oh man, it's so delicious. 이렇게 like this. 맛있다, to be delicious. You add 다니. 맛있다니. Wow, oh man, this is so delicious.
이렇게 맛있다니.
No way, there is some strange smell coming from here. 오, 이상한 냄새가 여기서 나다니. 이상한 strange 냄새가 smell as a noun. 여기 here, saw from. 나다 is the verb to appear. This is the verb that we use with smell as a noun. 나다니, and then 다니, the verb ending. 이상한 냄새가 여기서 나다니. There's some strange smell coming from here. I can't believe it. Let's get into some examples using noun. Do you want to eat a cake? 케이크 먹을래? 이 시간에 케이크라니. Cake at this time. Eat this. 시간, time. At time particle. Cake is the same thing as cake. 라니. 이 시간에 케이크라니. Cake at this time? 세일이라니. I don't believe it. Sale? Whoa! Hopefully this video was useful to you. If it was, make sure to smash the like and share this video with your friends and family. And here is your homework to do. First one with a verb, you lie. Even for the past tense, you use the verb root. You use past tense conjugation and just use the verb root. And then add 다니. Second example, there is an exam tomorrow. And you're gonna answer as exam tomorrow? Please feel free to make your own examples and leave them comment down below. I try my best to answer all your questions and correct any mistakes I may see. Then I see you guys next time. Bye bye.